Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Potter here. Just wanted to say a little thing before we start the video. Thank you all for watching, for subscribing, for commenting. It really pleases me, the comments you leave behind. So I just wanted to say that, just a little thank you for everybody who is commenting, liking, has been subscribed or will subscribe in this video. I really enjoy it, the positive feedback and the comments. So that does a lot. So thank you very much. We'll hopefully get the radio working, 12-volt radio on a 6-volt car. So stay tuned if you want to see that. Enjoy the video. So it's the next day, and the part arrived. My secret little thingy. Which will make the 12-volt radio work into the 6-volt car. So this is just a step-up converter from 6-volt to 12-volt. So next thing which I will have to do is find somewhere 6-volt ignition on source, maybe perhaps from the ignition key itself, and then I go from there. A wire from the 6-volt ignition key, I go to the in on the step-up converter, and then from the out I go to the radio, and then a ground is just a ground, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, and it should work as long as the radio works. Will be good, but this radio kind of looks new. I don't really have an idea which wire is which here, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So first of all, I'll just look to find a 6-volt ignition on wire, and then I will go from there. All my wires are made. It's just out of some aluminum wire. I cut them to length, so, and I wrap them with this fabric tape. So one will be ground, which goes from the dashboard towards the step-up converter, and the other one will be a plus, which comes from the switch, which also goes to the step-up converter, and then the other ones are from the step-up converter to the radio. But like this, it looks a lot better than just this blue wire. They used to fabric wrap wires in the past, so this is as close as it gets to do it at home. So what I'm going to do now is something I don't really want to do, but I have to. To be able to ground to the dashboard, obviously I'll have to take off some of this paint from probably this hole here. So I'll just scratch it a little with a screwdriver, and then I can bolt on the ground and install it from there. So now here I have the step-up converter, and these are the in, plus and the ground. I'll just put them in. Try to wires are a little too thick, but I use the same wiring for my RPM gauge in the Plymouth. If you haven't watched that video, please go check it out. And it's still working, so as long as you like twist and push them in and then tighten them, they should hold. Just like that. And now the next one, ground going in. Just have to twist the wire a little to give it the best chance to get in there. It's not that easy. There it goes. And now be sure to wrap the wires to the end so they can't contact each other. And then when the wires are on, you get this spider looking thingy. So like I said, one in, one plus in, one plus out, one ground in, one ground out, and it just converts it to 12 volt. So if I install this now in the car, give it a good ground and a signal, and find the right wires here on the radio, it should start working. I still have to connect the speaker wires as well, so I need to figure out which wire is which. Now the only hard thing to know is which wire is the ground, which is the negative. There's a red and a black here, but there's also two black ones here. So I'm not sure yet which ones. I mean, I think it's pretty obvious. The red one is the plus, and I would assume the other one below it would be the ground. But I'll have to do some research on that before we can install it. And then we still have to take these audio cables here and also put a connector on those so we can also plug them in. That will probably be the blue and the white one. So I'll just do some research if I can find something. A little test. Now everything is attached to the ignition on, and here it's plugged into the red one and the black one. So let's check. First of all, make sure it's off. Okay, let's put the key on. You see the converter is on. Now let's see if we can put the radio on. And it works. See the light? Off, on. Great success. So now I need to lengthen the audio wires. And then we can also test those. If those everything is connected. These wires are just like that for now. So let's see if it works. Key on. And then I guess I will also put the antenna cable in. I guess we just put the radio on.
Mówi lekarz prowadzący z Jastrzębskiego Szpitala Artur Bloch. Podejrzany 19-latek jest w policyjnym areszcie. Trwa oczekiwanie na decyzję prokuratury. Na razie nie wiadomo, kiedy mężczyzna usłyszy zarzuty. Szymon Kastelik, Radio Z.
Szpital informuje, że poszkodowanym oraz całemu personelowi zapewniono opiekę psychologiczną.
I guess I just need to connect the other side now, and then we can tidy up the wires and reinstall the radio. It's all reinstalled, radio is all in, so let's test if everything works.
Godzinie 12 po serwisie, więc też
warto
słuchać bardzo uważnie radia.
I'm not going to play radio, main music for copyright reasons. So here you have some Polish radio. All the speakers work. This one as well.
Najlepiej sprzedającą się płytą w historii polskiej muzyki. No i oczywiście wódki suflera. Teraz Cool and Gang za 11 minut południa Radio Złote Przeboje.
Wiarę, którą przepisał Mojżesz na świadectwo dla...
Just changing the pause because they keep playing radio, so that again, but you see it's working, so that's how you install a 12 volt radio into a 6 volt car.